What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another summer tournament sweeper. Today it is 4 games, high game pot pays each game, as well as the overall total, and we're bowling on 38 feet. Hopefully I can learn from some of my past mistakes on the short pattern here, apply some of that knowledge that I have, and score a little better. I guess you guys will have to find out how well it goes or how bad it goes in the next 4 games, so let's get into it. Game 1, some of you guys might be asking, is Packy using a plastic ball? And the answer is yes. Today I brought some weaker bowling balls. I brought a weaker purple hammer. I didn't use as much surface. Didn't look too good, so I actually ended up throwing my Spy, my Radical Spy, with some surface on it, and it's actually shaping up really nice. I hit the high game pot game 1. I hit the pocket plenty, and hopefully I can just keep that consistent pocket motion. I'm not looking to strike a ton, even though the scores are higher. I'm just looking to maintain the pocket and carry when I can. So Radical Spy, plastic ball game 1. Let's see what we got game 2. I backed up game one's 240 with another 240 game two. I came in first again for the high game pot. Madison finished second, I believe, overall in the high game pot with a 240 herself. Just a slightly lower 240 than me. So both of us are bowling really good. Again with the plastic ball me. Obviously you can see me going a little medium speed, way out further to the left, playing a pretty direct angle. Just knowing that my plastic ball can't all hook too much. It doesn't really hook a lot. I'm not asking it to hook a lot. I'm just asking it to hit the pocket. So hopefully game three has more of the pocket in store. But spoiler alert, I need to make some changes. Oh, hold on a second. Before I forget, click that subscribe button down below. It really helps us out. Automatically will enter you guys as a subscriber of the channel and fill out the giveaway form down below. You'll be automatically entered, but you do have to be a subscriber of the channel, and we give away plenty of stuff like bowling balls, signed jerseys, signed pins. We give away it all. So don't forget, click that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the back half of this video. All right, so game three, you saw my plastic ball hook a bunch. I moved around, didn't hook as much. I switched to a dark web hybrid that hooked a ton off the spot, and then all of a sudden was kind of lazy once I moved in. So I found some struggles there game three. However, I think I found a little bit of a trick towards the end where I could bump back left with that spy and just throw it much harder. So I moved into that friction spot that was already there with it being a short pattern, being on lanes that hook. I moved back into that friction spot and I threw it really hard. That way I can keep my ball on line with the speed, and obviously I know it's gonna hit the pocket if I throw it where I wanna throw it. So the speed keeps it on line, and once it gets about halfway down lane, I know it's gonna hit the pocket. So game four, looking to bounce back. I'm off the lead right now by 4. So Richard Paul's in first with a 661. I'm currently in second with a 657. So I got one game to edge him out by 4. Hopefully my moves can make it. Got the dub here with my Radical Spy shooting another huge game, game 4. I finished first overall, but I think I finished second for the high game pot for game 4. So I put up a big one, snuck out and edged out Richard Paul III, who was actually on my pair with the mullet, if you guys don't know who he is. Really solid bowler. I think he was throwing a pitch black. But for me, the Radical Spy took home the dub. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, if you guys want, click that subscribe button down below. If you guys want to enter any of our future giveaways, right now I think we're in the middle of a 3-ball giveaway. You can click that link down below in the description to enter all of our giveaways for absolutely no cost at all. So click that link down below, fill out the form, and you can enter all of our future giveaways. As for this time, thank you guys. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much, and until the next one, peace.